Today, we're looking at setting aperture and shutter speed for video recording inside the FiLMic Pro camera app. I'll give you a quick rundown on what aperture and shutter speed is and how to apply it to your videos inside Moment, and we'll do that right now. Hey, what's up y'all? This is Brian White and welcome back to VideoZeus, where we help you spend less time making more videos. And hey, if it's your first time here and you want to learn more about making better online videos, then go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. As a video creator, having the ability to take full manual control of your phone or tablet's video camera is just amazing. And that's what we have inside the Moment app. Today, it's all about setting the aperture and shutter speed for video within the FiLMic Pro camera app. And if you stick around to the end, I'll reveal a super cool feature to take advantage of within your shutter speed settings. Your aperture is the measure of how open or closed the iris is on the lens and is typically measured by the f-stop. In other words, how much light you're letting into the lens. Your shutter speed relates to the amount of time the shutter opens during a given frame of video. While the aperture within the camera itself is locked, you can achieve proper exposure by using manual settings for shutter speed, ISO, or a lens filter. Setting any manual control setting is simple within the Moment app. Swiping back and forth, nothing is easier. When you lock in your settings, a blue bar will appear under the feature indicating it's been manually set. To unlock settings back to auto mode, simply double tap on the feature set. While selecting the right shutter speed on the Moment app is super simple, it's important to know what shutter speed setting is right for you. Having the ability to change your shutter speed is what helps create the effect of professional looking footage by way of some motion blur, as opposed to a standard cell phone video that's overly sharp and flat looking. Here's a quick guide to determine proper shutter speed settings for your video. You always want to shoot twice your frame rate, so at 24 frames per second, you're shooting at 1/48. For 30 frames per second, it's 1/60th, 60 frames per second, 1/20th, you get the picture. Now, a super cool feature when setting your manual shutter speed in your video is it also disables what is known as auto iris, where your lens is constantly opening and closing to compensate for changes in lighting conditions. You can see here when I pan from the road to the sun, you see the lens close automatically. When it pans back down, it's now opening back up to compensate for the new light. This can be distracting in your final footage and is a major no-no in professional video. By manually setting the shutter speed in the Moment app, you are disabling auto iris and all will be well. If you haven't already downloaded my Before You Shoot guide, please follow the link in the show notes below. The guide will prove as a useful resource for each and every one of your video creations. And hey, if you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash me a like, and if you want to watch more videos just like this one, then hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss the release of our new videos. Once again, thanks for watching VideoZeus, helping you spend less time making more videos.